Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change server in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you need to click on leaderboard option here on the bottom. As you can see, click on it and then you need to go in weapon, go in this section, and as you can see it will show you the global section here. You need to click on this choose your region and then click on it. You have to accurately click on this small arrow here, and as you can see it's showing me number of region that are available here. So I will just simply select any one of them that I want, and what you need to remember is that you can change it only within 7 days. So if you want to change it again, you have to wait 7 days to change. So I will just change it for now. Okay, and then click on change and then choose your weapon. I'm looking for my M4. Okay, so I'll just click on it and then it's changed. So that's how you can do it, guys. That's it for today. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.